This is my Dyson cordless vacuum, which I've had for about 3 years now. We use it every single day. It's currently docked in its charging station, which looks like this. I can easily get in and out with one hand, and when the blue lights are on, that means that it's charging. The cool part about this charging station is that it also holds some of the extra attachments, which is very convenient for whenever you need to clean up a mess. Each red button is a detachment point, so you can take off the bottom part or you can detach this top part and it becomes a handheld vacuum. And there's multiple different attachments that it comes with, but my favorite is this little wand because it gets into all the creaks and crevices. I especially like it when I go outside and vacuum my car because it can get into all those little nooks and crannies. There's also 2 different settings on this vacuum. So there's regular suction, which I use most of the time. And then if I'm doing a shaggy rug, I can put it on high suction and it just gives it a little bit more power, a little bit more oomph, and picks up a little bit more. This is what the whole vacuum looks like. And
this is a review for this excellent Dyson vacuum cleaner. And you can see it comes with all of these different attachments. Anytime you see a red button, it means you can switch out something. So you can actually remove this whole orange handle if you want something a little bit more portable for messy countertops or cars. I have made a mess of oatmeal and we're gonna use this lovely vacuum cleaner and see how awesome it is. Here we go.
Does it have battery?
Yeah.
Let me see.